What's up, guys? It's Cinco and we're going to be learning how to make smoothies with Sirius. So, one banana, break it in half into 3 pieces. Actually, 4. Add hemp seed and seamoss and berries shake it up for some reason. More peaches, mangoes, juice, blender time. Okay, let's see how the smoothies turned out. The yellow one for Cinco and the red one for Sirius. And one for mommy and one for daddy. Let's see how the smoothies taste. That's good. Good. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. I'll see you later.